The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cuyahoga County Police Department. There have been reports of civil unrest at Brecksville Broadview Heights High School around 7:30 p.m. during a rivalry football game against North Royalton. Students and staff members from both schools are causing physical harm to one another and causing damage to the school's property. Police are currently having a difficult time trying to gain control of the situation. Residents living within 1 mile of the school are asked to stay indoors and to not engage in the civil unrest for any reason. Doing so will result in arrest. Mill Road between Route 21 and Wallings Road has been closed with the exception of emergency management. Motorists are asked to find alternate routes. Again, civil unrest is ongoing at Brecksville Broadview Heights High School. Stay away from this area.